Welcome to War India News Hour. Now, CEOs to tackle the challenge of cybersecurity in the age of IoT. In today's world, it is inevitable that our data being stored and shared across several businesses we deal with. Any breach into any of these infrastructure likely to result in our confidential information getting exposed. Any company can fall victim to cybercrime. We're hearing the incidents of cyber attacks come from government organizations, educational and healthcare institutions, banks, law firms, non-profits, and many other organizations. Smart business houses are investing more into cybersecurity to eliminate risks and keep their sensitive data safe. And this has already brought the first results. Business need to focus on adopting a comprehensive cybersecurity architecture. And this is where IT and IoT comes under the spotlight. With IoT, security challenges will remain an issue through the entire product lifecycle, long after products have been sold. Experts say that every company needs to be well prepared for the challenges ahead. A sound governance framework with strong leadership is essential to effective enterprise-wide cybersecurity. There is a compelling business case for using AI in cybersecurity as industries worldwide begin to investigate how this technology will help them improve their operations. Cybersecurity seeks to leverage AI and ML to improve the speed at which they detect cyber threats and mitigate risks. A well-trained staff can serve as the first line of defense against cyber attacks. There are key benefits of AI-enabled securities. AI reduces the time to great extent and enables them to spend more quality time in analyzing incidents, understanding the patterns, trends, the algorithms' identity. Let's look into today's headline in War India. We will have next generation of Windows soon, says Satya Nadella. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella during his keynote address for Build 2021 said that soon we will share one of the most significant updates to Windows of the past decade to unlock greater economic opportunity for developers and creators. I have been self-hosting it over the past several months and I am incredibly excited about the next generation of Windows. Our promise to you is this: we will create more opportunities for every Windows developer today and welcome every creator who is looking for the most innovative new open platform to build and distribute and monetize applications. We look forward to sharing more very soon, Satya says. Zscaler to acquire Indian startup Smokescreen. Zscaler has agreed to buy Smokescreen Technologies to proactively hunt for emerging adversary tactics and techniques using deception technology. Zscaler plans to enhance its active defense capabilities by integrating Smokescreen into its ZIA secured web gateway as well as its ZPA Zero Trust network access offering, said Jay Chaudhary, founder and CEO of Zscaler. The acquisition will fill in many potential areas that we need to strengthen or expand into adjacent markets, Chaudhary told the investors. Happiest Minds Technologies partners with Yota Infrastructure. Happiest Mind Technologies, a digital transformation and IT solution company, and Yota Infrastructure have entered into a strategic partnership to jointly offer co-location services and Yota Cloud solutions on the anything as a service model as part of the Happiest Minds portfolio. Girish Chandraudkar, VP, Head of Infrastructure, Happiest Minds Technology said, with the growing demand of data center services and cloud adoption, this partnership is imperative to enhance our strong portfolio of cloud infrastructure services further. AWS to open data centers in UAE. Amazon Web Services (AWS) announced that it plans to open an infrastructure region in the United Arab Emirates (UAE) in the first half of 2022. The new AWS Middle East UAE region will consist of 3 availability zones and become AWS second region in the Middle East, with the existing AWS region in Bahrain giving customers more choice and flexibility to leverage advanced technologies from the world's leading cloud. It will allow customers to run workloads and store data locally while serving end users with even low latency. Mark Cuban invests in Indian blockchain startup Polygon. Billionaire Mark Cuban has made an investment in Indian Ethereum-based blockchain platform Polygon. Mark has invested in over 10 blockchain startups and is bullish on the future of cryptocurrencies. His crypto portfolio comprises 60% of Bitcoin, 30% of Ethereum, with other coins accounting for the rest. While the amount of investment made by Cuban was not revealed, Polygon co-founder Sandeep Nailwal said, "We have spoken to many investors, but the discussion with Mark Cuban was truly mind-blowing. Polygon's crypto token has a market capitalization of over $13 billion as per CoinMarketCap." That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to War India News Hour. You can download the War India app from the Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you so very much.